Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're diving into Proplend, a peer-to-peer lending platform found at proplend.com. Proplend facilitates loans secured by commercial real estate in the UK. This means individuals can invest in fractions of loans backed by tangible property, offering a potentially attractive alternative investment opportunity. The platform connects borrowers seeking funding for commercial property projects with investors looking for stable returns. Proplend focuses on providing a transparent and secure environment for both parties involved. They emphasize rigorous due diligence on all loan applications, including thorough valuations of the underlying properties. This process aims to mitigate risk and provide investors with confidence in the loans they choose to fund. Proplend's website offers detailed information on each loan opportunity, including loan terms, interest rates, loan-to-value, LTV, ratios, and the specific property securing the loan. This transparency allows investors to make informed decisions based on their individual risk tolerance and investment goals. Furthermore, Proplend provides updates and performance reports to keep investors informed on the progress of their investments. They also handle the administrative tasks associated with loan servicing, such as collecting payments and distributing interest. While Proplend presents a potentially appealing investment avenue, it's crucial for potential investors to conduct their own research and carefully consider the associated risks. The value of investments can fluctuate, and there's always the potential for loss, particularly in the real estate market. It's essential to understand the platform's fee structure and the implications of investing in illiquid assets. Diversification and a long-term investment horizon are key considerations when exploring opportunities like those offered by Proplend. Be sure to thoroughly examine the platform's terms and conditions, and if needed, consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Proplend provides resources and information on their website to assist investors in understanding their platform and the associated risks and rewards.